doesn't sound too realistic to me.
It's a very dangerous plan.
I don't take him seriously.
Not something that you can actually do.
Today, I interviewed some people. How do they think about Trump's plan and proposal of the United States taking over Gaza and buying and owning Gaza? And here are their answers.
The Palestinians that live there, it's like their home, and you can't just buy it and own it.
Trump is saying what he's saying, and I think backstage there's a lot more things that are done and said.
I'm not too sure if it's actually helping. I think it's just to increase the pressure and make it show that it's really he's serious about that.
I'm afraid he's making it more complicated.